Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this analytic tools platform which is called Amplitude. So let's dive into it. Talking about Amplitude has become one of the most powerful product analytics tools in 2025, helping business understand users behavior with real-time insight, advanced chaotic analysis, and AI driven prediction. Its biggest strength are its clean visual dashboard, seamless integration with platforms like Snowflake and Segment, and predictive features such as anomaly detection and a rentation tracking. This makes it especially useful for product and growth teams who want to make data-driven decisions faster without relying on heavily engineers. On the downside, Amplitude can feel overwhelming at first because of its steep learning curve, and setting up events properly takes time and expertise. Pricing can also get expensive as your data value grows, which make it less ideal for very small teams. Another limitation is that with it excels in analytics and it doesn't offer built-in tools for acting or insight, meaning you will need extra platform to run campaign or use engagement. Overall, Amplitude is the best for mid to large teams that prioritize deep analytics and scaling, while smaller teams might find simpler or more affordable alternative better suited. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.